My name is Chipo and I am in my 50s and I am recording this first live, starting my channel here on YouTube. And yeah, I will learn as I go. It's been taking me such a long, long time to even start recording any videos, all because of just this, imposter syndrome and lacking the confidence and yeah, being just so overwhelmed with a lot of things that are going on in my life. But finally, I am here and I'm just going to take it slow and see how things go and just start maybe posting one video a week. And hopefully, you can relate with this, that, sometimes a lot of things stop us from, taking action or, achieving those goals that we want to achieve for ourselves. So, just actually here in my home village in Masunga. So I am recording from Botswana. I am from Botswana, but I'm staying in my village, my home village in Masunga. So I'll be doing frequent visits from home village to the city to Gaborone because of some life situations that are ongoing. So on this channel, I really want to share also my journey, my baking journey, and just share some tips here and there, lessons that I'm learning and lessons that I've learned, and maybe a few recipes here and there, and just some steps and techniques that I've also I'm learning and I've also learned in my baking that have also helped me to improve and to enjoy my baking to the point where I became a confident home baker and baking for business. Okay, so if you are also a home baker out there, you just love being in the kitchen and cooking and also now baking. I say baking, I'll be focusing more on baking because baking seems to be more challenging than cooking. I think because cooking is more forgiving, we can say. But baking, there's always like precision of things, measuring properly, learning how to mix properly, learning about the temperatures of ingredients, temperatures in your oven, stuff like that, and all these other steps that are in between that are not necessarily there if you are following a recipe. So all recipes are good. It's just that, it's really important to learn some of the things which are in between, those steps as you're starting from just like actually just understanding and learning a recipe and the preparation stage as you go about learning how to actually follow the recipe to the T and using the right like the right quality ingredients, you know especially those that you have easy access to in your locality. You're really learning how to you know use the right ingredients and using the right tools, tools, equipment, that you have. So just the basic things that sometimes you won't know about unless you get to know about. I say that because imagine, I've been baking from a very young age. I love baking. I love cooking. I actually like being in the kitchen is my go-to place. It's my safe space where I get to be myself, where I get to relax, where I get to really express myself through all this, baking and decorating, just simple, simple things. I'm not an expert baker. I think I'll just regard myself as more of a cook and more like, yeah, intermediary stage of baking, but not yet there. But I have a few lessons and things, tips, and some things that I would love to share that I think can help you, if you are starting out in your baking journey, if you are a first time baker. Some of these can really be helpful for you as well. So if you are really enjoying this, subscribing here and liking the video if this resonates with you and if you feel that this could be something that you're also embarking on in your baking journey. And yeah, just get along and just continue this journey and let's see, how it goes with each other. And yeah, some tips I'm sure can also be helpful for you as well as a first-time baker or beginner baker, because these have helped me as well along the way to boost my confidence, as I'm also still learning even at this point, from other bakers, from other online courses out there, and as I share these things, hopefully they will help you as well, hopefully this will be something that you find refreshing in your baking life, that you'll find will be also something to enjoy. So there's some steps that I would love to take us through as I'm sharing, like each week, each video will just be like taking work, doing the work, the mental energy work as you're enjoying, to just tell you that, there's always a starting point to everything. Sometimes we just stop ourselves from doing things just because of the fear. And fear is also a state of mind, because sometimes it just shows you that, there's something that you need to work on, personally. Also can be, you know, some things that you need to learn that you don't know about, or maybe something that you don't understand. I think that's why as well it took me a long time to even just start recording even one video here on my channel. But today I just said, okay, let me just go for it and just start this video, freestyle everything, share my thoughts, share my reasons of why I really want to come out here, and just see if I can help in any way, as I'm also learning from others, that it's also helping me, learning these baking steps and methods, lessons, and some of these things we can take for granted. And you realize that, okay, maybe this is something that I didn't realize, or, oh, okay, maybe this is something that I've been doing, but I didn't know, that is actually important for baking, as I'm baking. Or maybe, oh, this is something that I had missed, but I didn't know about it, because sometimes, hey, we don't know what we don't know, right? Yeah, I don't know where I heard that from, but it's actually true. Sometimes you can't ask questions for something that you don't know, but if you actually go for a training or workshop or course like I have, you realize there's some things you are actually hearing them for the first time, you're learning about them for the first time, and all because you didn't know about that. So how could you ask something that you didn't know about, you know? So those are the aha moments that I feel can also help someone, as they have helped me as well get those aha moments. So yeah, so this is my first video, and I just wanted to come out here and just introduce myself to you, and just to share with you why I want to start my YouTube channel, why I feel deep in my heart. So sometimes it also helps, if you can make just a positive uh, thing in someone else's life, that can help someone out there, especially if, you know, someone who can relate with this, that, age, it's just a number. Doesn't matter what age it is, if you want to go for something, just take those many steps and just keep on learning as you go along, and just putting in the effort, putting in the work, and those small little wins, they will just boost the confidence, just even the first step that I did, just to come to my room and just set up my table here and figure out, okay, where do I put my step? I know it's not a perfect video, but yeah, I just press record and just come out here and just share my thoughts, and just to say, I've realized that in life, there are things that you want to do in life, and just it's just all a matter of just stepping outside your comfort zone, that space, safe space, and just taking your foot out, just dipping your toes a little bit, and just, yeah, pop your head up and just chin up, and just, you know, press record and start, and we'll learn as we go. Like I will learn as I go, you will learn as we go, and yeah, I know even from your sharing with your experiences and maybe the questions and comments, they will also help me as well to improve. Yeah, I'm also watching other channels as well to learn also how to do this YouTube. So I don't even know some of the things, but being the confident me, being in other platforms, I also am in other platforms, especially Facebook. And yes, yeah, Instagram, I'm learning a bit here. But Facebook is my other platform where I've started actually like in 2020. So that's where I've also started. And I've also started to share some of my lessons in just um, some baking sessions, which I have also started with some other few home bakers, local home bakers, just sharing with them, helping them with some of these steps and techniques. So their questions are also showing me that, yeah, these are things that are also helping them, from what I've learned. So it's just like new waters that we all step into, treading, lightly treading, but with the help of someone, it also helps, someone who, you can relate to and feel more comfortable to share with. So, thank you for coming here and watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and like if you like the, and yeah, I would really love to hear also your thoughts, in the comments. Feel free to comment and just look forward to this journey with you all. And I appreciate you for coming here and thank you. And I will see you in the next video where I'll be now sharing more lessons of what I'm willing to share here and what hopefully will help some in terms of some of the baking steps, processes as you're baking, especially like simple cakes like cupcakes, um, and also cake slices, how I do my cupcakes, how I do my cake slices, and actually just improving in the baking itself. So I'll see you with that in the next video that I share with you. And yeah, look forward to that. Looking forward to this journey with you. And thank you. And bye. And I appreciate you for coming here. Thank you.